Boost your IELTS score. Master the word disquisition. Mastering advanced vocabulary is crucial for achieving a band score of 9.0 on the IELTS exam. Today, we're exploring a sophisticated word that will elevate your academic and formal writing: disquisition. Word type: disquisition is a noun, meaning a disquisition is a long or elaborate essay or discussion on a particular subject. It's a formal and systematic inquiry into or discussion of a subject, often involving detailed examination and analysis. This term is particularly useful in academic contexts or when discussing scholarly works. Word history. The word disquisition has its roots in Latin. It comes from the verb disquire, which means to investigate or examine. This verb is formed from dis, meaning apart or in different directions, and quaerere, meaning to seek or ask. The term entered the English language in the mid-16th century, retaining its connotation of thorough investigation. Antonyms. Some antonyms for disquisition include brevity, conciseness, and synopsis. These words represent the opposite of the lengthy, detailed nature of a disquisition. Synonyms. Synonyms for disquisition include treatise, dissertation, thesis, exposition, and monograph. These words all refer to extensive written works on specific subjects. Examples used in sentences. The professor's disquisition on quantum mechanics lasted for over 2 hours, covering intricate details of the theory. Her book is a comprehensive disquisition on the socio-economic factors influencing climate change policies. The student's essay evolved from a simple analysis into a full-fledged disquisition on the symbolism in Shakespeare's sonnets. Common errors in use. One common error when using disquisition is confusing it with less formal terms like essay or paper. While these can be synonymous in some contexts, disquisition implies a more scholarly, extensive, and detailed work. Another mistake is using it for brief or casual discussions. Remember, a disquisition is characteristically long and thorough. To incorporate disquisition effectively in your IELTS writing or speaking, use it when referring to in-depth academic works or detailed analyses. This word showcases a sophisticated vocabulary and understanding of formal academic discourse, which is highly valued at the band 9.0 level. Practice using disquisition in your own writing and be prepared to encounter it in complex reading passages.